Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more amazing health tips. Today, we're discussing the role of yoga in weight loss and how it can help maintain a healthy weight. Let's dive in. First, yoga promotes a strong mind-body connection. This awareness helps you make healthier choices and better understand your body's needs. Let's practice mindful breathing for a moment. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold for 4 counts, and exhale for 6. This practice can help center your thoughts and reduce emotional eating. Certain styles of yoga, like vinyasa or power yoga, provide a great cardiovascular workout that can help burn calories and boost metabolism. Try this quick flow. Start with sun salutations, moving through downward dog, plank, and warrior poses. This sequence will get your heart rate up and build strength. Yoga is also excellent for stress reduction, which can be a key factor in weight gain. When you're less stressed, you're less likely to indulge in unhealthy habits. End your practice with a few minutes in child's pose or savasana to fully relax and let go of tension. Hold for 5 to 10 minutes. To see results, it's important to practice yoga regularly. Aim for at least 3 to 4 times a week, mixing active styles with restorative practices for balance. Incorporating yoga into your routine can support weight loss, improve your relationship with food, and help you maintain a healthy weight. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment below with your experiences or questions. Thanks for watching and namaste.